Hello, this is Michael from Kids Academy. As you already know, Kids Academy is an amazing e-learning platform, but I'm here to tell you about some of the features you might not have had the chance to explore yet. We here at Kids Academy have received an awesome video of Vilda using the Kids Academy Talented and Gifted app. In this video, Vilda showcases one of Kids Academy's best and most unique features. Vilda is using a rubber marker, which is a lot more practical for developing writing skills than tracing with a finger, and cheaper than buying an expensive Apple Pencil. Rubber markers cost only about $5 and work with any device and help kids practice and establish good pencil grip from an early age. Kids Academy is saving trees and your personal time, one worksheet at a time. There's unlimited practice, so not only are you saving more trees than you think, but that also means unlimited practice for your kids when trying to master a new or more difficult concept. Kids always receive feedback after completing a worksheet, so they know which questions they got right and which questions they still need to work on. Informative, yet easy to understand data is sent to the teacher to review and make instructional decisions. No kid ever feels left behind in the app. One of my favorite things about the Kids Academy app is that as a teacher, I can control what my students are working on if that's what's in the plans for the day. Or I can announce choice Kids Academy time at a tablet or technology station and feel comfortable that a group of students is working on rigorous material at their level while I work with another group of students. As a teacher, you can also personalize and differentiate assignments right from the app without printing or copying many different things from different places for the many different types of learners in your classroom.
Pillars.
Yes, okay. Which one belongs to him? Yes?
Yes. Done. All done.
All done? You did a great job, Amber.
How do you use the Kids Academy app? Send us your stories and videos.
Like us and subscribe to our channel. Find links to our apps in comments below.